Hello, class. Today we're going to learn how to make an airfoil on the computer in 3D. And if we can make it on the computer in 3D, guess what you can do with it? That's right, you can 3D print it. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is go to my.pltw.org and log in. Once you've logged in, hit Courses, go to Aerospace. We're going to go to activity 126 again. This is the activity we did the other day. So we're going to scroll down and you're going to hit the website that we use, the simulation. Alright, so here it is. So go ahead, take your time and reset the simulation to what you had the other day with your group. Alright, so I'm going to pick high camber. Alright, so I'll do that example there. Or maybe let's do symmetric. We'll make it boring. Let's do symmetric. Alright, so I think we had metrics set. Alright, and I'm just going to use the already set parameters here. So after you've set everything that you need to set, we're going to go to analysis, and you're going to go down and click on CSV. So click on that, and the Excel file sheet should pop up. So we want to click on that, so that this pops up. Alright, now we have more information here than we need. Alright, so we can delete these two columns here, pressure and velocity. So let's go ahead and do that. Delete. And then we don't need these two lines up here. We just want the numbers. So we're going to delete these two columns. And then for lower surface, what we're going to do is we're going to type in 0 for both spots. Alright, so in both columns A and B, we should just have numbers. There we go, just the way I like it. So now we're going to go to File, Save As, and we're going to save it under Documents. Alright. Now here, let's go ahead and label it your last name so you can find it. So Larson Airfoil. Now here, we got to change the save as type. Right now it's CSV. We want this as an Excel. So there's a lot of options here, but let's just pick the very top one right here, Excel Workbook. Then I'm going to go over here and hit Save. Alright, now the next thing we need to do is we need to open up Inventor. Alright, so Inventor is this orange button on your desktop. So just double click it, and it does take a while to wake up the first time. Alright, just like a high school boy waking up in the morning. Alright, so just relax, just let it do its thing. It may take a little while to open up, but I promise you it will open up. Alright, and eventually, alright, this will pop up. Alright, so once you get this window open, we're going to hit on Part. Now, just like when it was waking up, it does take a while for Part to open up the first time. Alright, so just relax, don't panic. Alright, mine opened up quicker because I've already been using this program, so it's ready to rock and roll. Now once you have Part open, we need to download all those points, but to do that, we got to do Start 2D Sketch. So let's hit on this picture icon right here that says Start 2D Sketch. So click on that, and we get a 3D coordinate system popping up. We're going to use the XY plane. So click on that, and you get a coordinate system for XY plane. Now, the next thing we need to do is download points. So to do that, you're going to click on points up here. Alright, so mine already popped up to Documents. Alright, so that's easy enough. If Documents did not pop open for you, just click the down button and look for Documents. Then I'm going to click on my last name, Airfoil. Alright, so look for that and hit Open. And this should appear. Alright, now nice outline of your airfoil. Now what we need to do is we need to connect the dots. Alright, so over here, the automatic option is line. Now, we need to use spline. Alright, so let's use this option right here, the second one. Alright, so now you're going to come over here and just connect all the dots. May take a little while, but we have all class period to do this. So just keep going. Alright, now if this little guy gets in your way, you see that little bar right here? Just click and just drag it so it's out of your way, and just keep going. Alright, and if you need to take a break, or like, oh no, I'm getting out of view here, I can't see any more dots, just click on the check mark. Alright, and then we can restart again. So how I'm zooming in and out is just using the scroll button on my mouse. Now you see this little hand? Right here, I can use this hand to kind of position where I want it, and then I can scroll back in or out. Then go back to spline, and then continue until all dots are connected. That's important to make sure that all dots are connected, and it's important, right, notice how it turns green to make a solid connection right there. Alright, so I'm going to hit check mark again. Alright, use a little hand. Alright, scroll back. Whoops. Here we go. Alright, and make sure you definitely connect the tail and come back, right? Got to scroll in, so connect all the way through. Alright, now I already have, I'm going to hit front to have this view back here. I've already done this in the example, so I've already connected all my dots here, right, including the very end too. See how I did that? Nice smooth connection there. Alright, that's a nice looking airfoil, but this is 2D. We want a 3D airfoil. So once all the dots are connected, and you got an airfoil shape, we're going to click on Finish Sketch. Alright, and then you can click on the little house button to get a better view if you need to. Now to make it 3D, all you have to do is hit on Extrude. The automatic setting is 1 inch, so let's keep that. Hit OK. And I can't quite see my airfoil, so I'm going to come over here and hit the house button. And there you go. Here is your 3D airfoil, alright, that we will eventually 3D print in class. So you want to go over to File, Save As, alright, Larson Airfoil. Whoops. There we go, save. Alright, so this is now saved in Inventor, the CAD software that you're using. Now, to save this in a language that the 3D printer understands, we need to do that next. So go to File, and we're going to go down and hover, don't click, hover over Print. And we're going to click on Send to 3D Print Service. So click on that. Now we need to check our options here. Alright. So here, we got to make sure the units are in, I think it's centimeters. I can always fix that. Actually, I don't remember. So anyways, sorry I don't remember that part, but this is what's important. This is saved as STL. So you're going to click on OK. Alright, this pops up. All you have to do is hit save. It already had the file name for you. Alright, if you notice this, the save as type is STL, that's what the 3D printer understands. So hit save. Alright, and what automatically pops up is advertisement. So I'm not even going to wait for it to load. I'm going to click the X. What you do need to go to is your Gmail account, your email. Alright, you need to email me that STL file. Alright, so I can 3D print it for you. Alright, so just a little reminder. Alright, when you're looking for the STL file, alright, you should see something that says 3D object, or maybe an icon that kind of looks like this or something different. This is the Inventor file. I don't need that. Alright, so don't send me this. Alright, send me the STL file right here. Okay, so this is the file you're going to attach to an email and send that to me, and I will send it to the 3D printer and get that rock and rolling for the weekend. Alright, that is it, class. Thank you.